Design LED Products is a technology-based company. We're based through in the Alba Innovation Centre in Livingston, and we were formed about 5 or 6 years ago now. The technology we have takes a bright spot of LED light and it transforms it into a uniform panel of thin, flexible, scalable light. One of the challenges that you do have as a technology company is the fact that you don't actually make anything, you don't manufacture anything, and it's very difficult to communicate your technology to a wider global audience. And we were finding we were wasting an awful lot of time speaking to engineers and people around the world that just wanted to know if our technology could do things that it probably wasn't best for. So we were really looking for a cost-effective way to communicate the technology and what it could be incorporated into in terms of products and applications. I had actually known about Interface for some years, but then I attended a St Andrews University Business School presentation that Siobhan Jordan from the organisation was presenting at. And she was presenting alongside a number of St Andrews University students who were sharing their experience in projects that they had done. And to be quite honest, I was blown away by the enthusiasm and the talent that they had and the level of professionalism that they had as individuals to try and add value to the businesses they'd worked with. From that, we went through the fairly simple process with Interface to try and look at what our brief was, what we were trying to achieve from the project, selected a short list of 2 or 3 universities in conjunction with Interface, and then visited the ones that we felt that the course was relevant and the level of activity would be relevant to the kind of projects that we were working on. We were specifically working with students to look at the design of our technology into products, and the first thing we had to do was to meet with them and spend quite a bit of time just making sure that they understood the technology, most importantly that they understood the differentiation that our technology would offer into products. And then we give them a bit of creative space to just come up with applications of that technology as they would see it in today's marketplace. They did that. They then communicated those designs through a number of renders and graphic representations, and ultimately in a short video presentation which simulated our technology in the marketplace. In terms of business deliverables, they would probably fall into 2 categories: softer deliverables, which were collateral for presentation material. We also upgraded our website and incorporated the videos and the graphics into that, which really gave us a much higher quality of inquiry. So when people did get in touch with the company, they knew exactly the kind of applications that we were interested in. Secondly, we used that collateral in our presentations for potential investors, and in January of this year we actually secured a 7-figure investment from a number of people, the most significant of which would have been the Siemens Group from Germany. Part of the Siemens Group is one of the largest lighting companies in the world, Osram, and they were particularly impressed with the renders and the videos that we had generated to demonstrate what our technology could do today and tomorrow. I have to say that working with Interface was a really good experience for us. I would recommend it, and it's certainly Design LED's intention to utilise the service over the next 2 or 3 years as we take more and more of our products to market.